beginning with S.
Striped legs, Spider-Man comes softly through the shadow of the evening sun, stealing past the windows of the blissful day, looking for the victim, shivering in bed, searching out fear in the gathering gloom, and suddenly movement in the corner of the room. There is nothing I can do when I realize with pride that the Spider-Man is having me for dinner tonight. Quietly he laughs and shaking his head, creeps closer now, closer to the foot of the bed, and softer than shadow and quicker than flies. His arms are all around me and his tongue in my eyes. Still be calm, be quiet now, precious boy. Don't struggle like that, or I will only love you more. For it's much too late to get away and turn on the light. The Spider-Man is having you for dinner tonight, and I feel like I've been eaten by 1,000 years shivering fairy holes. And I know that in the morning I will wake up in the shivering cold. Spider-Man is always so cold.